Good day, Maya's Hope. I'm Jasmine, and this is my mom's house. My daughter and I live here. With me, here are my mom, dad, and my two older brothers. And this is inside of our house. My daughter and I sleep here. And this is where my dad and my brother sleep. This is where our living room. And this is where our kitchen and toilet. Yan. And this is where my mom sleep. Good day again, Maya's Hope. Thank you.